In this session, you will learn basic things related to an energy meter such as reading, installation, calculation and basic principal operations. What is electric meter? An electric meter is usually installed by the power supplier at each service shop. It is used to measure and record amount of kilowatt hours used by a home or business for a month. The meter is sealed inside a glass case and a series of what appear to be clock faces generate together. Electric meter is a device that records the exact amount of electricity being used by a consumer. This device is also known as watt-hour meter and gives reading in kilowatt hours. Power companies install these meters at points where the company electricity lines are connected to a consumer's building in order to measure unit of electricity consumed by them. How meter readings are taken in order to calculate electricity? Look at the meter and read it from right to left in case of analog meter. As the first dial makes a complete revolution, it causes the next one to the left to move one position. The same holds true for the relationship between other dials. Your digital meter displays the reading in one row figures, that is in single register, or two rows of figures, which is in two registers. Now write down the numbers shown from the left to right. You can see the image of meter. In this picture, dial meter is shown. Let us understand how to calculate unit consumed. Simply record the reading at the beginning at the end of the month. Then subtract to find the number of kilowatt hours used for the month. Now subtract the two readings. After subtraction the two recorded reading, you will find the unit consumed. Here is an example given to you, where the two readings are subtracted and in the result we get the kilowatt hours used. Next, let us study how to estimate the electric bill. If electricity is sold for an average cost of 7 cents per kilowatt hour, we can estimate the electricity bill for the month. It is by multiplying the kilowatt hours by the price per kilowatt hour. Remember, this is still an estimate since the power company adds fuel factor and bills differently for the number of kilowatt hours used. This is, however, a good method for estimating. What are the factors that affect the use of electricity? There is seasonal changes in temperature which led to greater consumption of electricity. During summer season, there is a requirement of more energy consumption devices such as AC, coolers, which makes more consumption. Similarly, during winter season, heaters, geyser and other appliances make the electricity use different as compared to other seasons. There is always difference between actual readings and estimated readings. This is because sometimes the power supplier doesn't read the meter every month, and instead they use previous record from year past to estimate electricity use. Over the course of several months, readings will be taken to correct any difference between estimated readings and actual readings. Let's have a look at the parts contained inside an energy meter. A kilowatt hour meter contains an aluminium disc which is supported by the spindle with a worm gear. The worm gear drives the register. It is a series of dials used to record how much energy is used. The kilowatt hour meter also contains coils which work in conjunction with the disc and a permanent magnet. Kilowatt hour meter calculates electric energy which is consumed in billing cycles. It is measured in kilowatt hours or unit of energy equivalent to 1000 watt hours. Periodic readings taken by kilowatt hour meter establish billing cycle which is utilized by utility companies. Now, what are the operations are being performed? In energy meter contains two coils. One coil connect to the disk and create a magnetic flux in proportion to the voltage received. The other coil generates a magnetic flux proportional to the current. The voltage coil's magnetic field is delayed via lag coil, which results in eddy current flowing to the disk. These current exert force on disk proportional to the coil's current and voltage. A permanent magnet exerts an opposing force on the disk. These forces result in disk speed rotation, which is proportional to the power generated. The disk activates a register device, which counts the disk revolution in order to calculate energy consumption. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.